Hey everyone, Pascal here, and I'm super excited. We got a core training coming up next week in the Cape Coral area. So if you're anywhere near that area, we will be having a core training next week. I got a couple seats. I got to check. It might be, I don't know if it's one or two. I got a few seats left though. We're doing something special for this class. All the attendees are going to get instant access to our online platform as well as the in-person stuff. So that's a $200 value. We're throwing that in for free. We've had great success with the online platform. Right now we have a 100% passing rate with the state test. So that's pretty good. And we're also offering the hybrid program next week. So I know it's hard for people to get off work for 4 whole days. It's really tough, especially if you're working and everything is so damn expensive. So taking off work is out of the question, right? So with the hybrid, you come any day that you want. If you want to come for 1 day, you want to come for 2 days, you want to come for all 4 days, up to you. But what happens is you come in, you can interact in person. You might come with a list of questions that you got. Go ahead and submit your questions. We'll interact live. But also, then you just go ahead and complete the online training, which it's great. The online training is amazing. A lot of great videos on there. And what you do is you'll pass the test, and then you will get your certification to go ahead and take your state test. So cool, right? We got the hybrid option. You can come as many days as you want. No need to take off crazy days off of work. Or if you got next week off, come on and see us for 4 days. Now listen, owners and operators, I always preach this. Managers and administrators and assistant administrators for facilities, the best ones are the ones that you train within. They know your residents, they know the way you operate, they know all that good stuff, right? So you know who's a rock star in your staff that's got potential, right? Send them to core training, get them core trained, and that's the way you can kind of groom them and to know the regs, and you start giving them, I don't have to explain to you. Most of you know how this works, but when you hire administrators within, you train them, they're more loyal in the future, etc. So listen, I don't want to take up too much more of your time. So the link is in the with the post here. We got a few spots left. Cape Coral. If you're in Naples, Sarasota, come on. It's like a half-hour ride. We're gonna have a blast. I hope to see everybody next week. Listen, this opportunity is also available. We have a class coming up in Broward County, and we also have Orlando. So this is going to be available for all of those locations as well. Again, everybody, it's Friday. Have a good weekend. Take care. Love everybody. You're the best.